This is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson. We have Andreas here with us this morning. Andreas and Giovanna are visiting us from Mountainview, California. That's the home of Google. We love Google and Google loves us. And that's probably how you found us, isn't it, on YouTube?
Yes, sir.
Yep. Okay, let's have you close your eyes and flex your head forward and backwards for me. So they live close by Google out there. And then back to neutral. So his head's forward and to the right. You're a side sleeper too, or stomach sleeper.
Yes, sir.
See how your ears dropping way out here in front of your shoulders, and your hands or your shoulders are also rounded forward a little bit. And you look in the mirror, you got more room over here on the right side than you do the left side. You see that? So your pelvis has translated left while your head's forward to the right. Okay, let's sit here and face towards Giovanna. Okay. Tell me now if you feel any pain anywhere. Okay, I'm gonna go backwards and right and down. Does that hurt?
Yeah.
Where?
Right here.
Okay, how about when I go back and left and down?
Right.
Okay, if you tilt your head this way, does that tighten up?
No.
How about when I do this?
Yep.
Okay, if you go this way, does that tighten up?
No.
How about when I do this? Okay, so tell me if this feels better, same, or worse to your spine.
Better.
Okay, I'm gonna push down, resist. Good. Same thing here, resist. Good. Okay. I'm doing his orthopedic neurological evaluation. Now I'm going to pull out, resist. Good. Now I'm going to push in, resist. Excellent. I'm going to pull out, resist. Now I'm going to push in, resist. Excellent. Okay. Just relax this. There we go. Oops, there's a problem.
Nerd.
No comments of the photographer. Video. Okay, good. 5x5 on your ortho neuro there. So let's have you lie on. You tell me, I'll change this for you. Don't look like you have the same shade of makeup on as you on. There we go. Face all the way up in here, please, sir. Zipper. Okay, his left leg is about a 1/4 inch longer than his right leg. Right leg's shorter by about a 1/4 inch. And then I bring it up, it gets even. That tighten up a little bit in your low back and your thighs?
Yep.
Yep. His pelvis is out right here on the right. And a little bit on the left right there, but mostly right there. And you get most of your low back pain right there, don't you? These are all a little sore though, aren't they?
Yep.
And that's tight right there as well. Tender right there.
Yep.
He's got trigger points and knots in his trapezius muscles and levator scapula muscles bilaterally. Neck's out right there. And right there as well. Sometimes your headaches start right there and go around too.
Yep.
Yep. Well, that's real tender. That's real tender. I want you to lock your right leg straight, lift your whole right leg off the table. Okay, relax. Now do the same thing on the left side. Yep. Is it harder to do on this one?
Yep.
Yep. So he's got a right sacral deviation test. So I'm going to start off adjusting his right sacrum on the BioPhysics table, drop piece. There's the left side of the sacrum I meant, sorry, I said right when I meant left. Now I'm adjusting his left SI joint, and now his right SI joint. There we go.
I think crack addict's gonna love you.
Yeah. I can't, you ruined it.
Oh, okay.
It's even now. Did that feel a little? little easier than the first one did?
Yep.
Good deal. I was saving his for the ring dinger. Let's turn you on your back.
Well, you can still do it.
Oh, thank you. You can tell we're married, huh? Good. Okay, now let's put your arm straight out to the side for me, Andres. Yep. There we go. Good. Okay, just relax your hands on your tummy. There you go. There you go. Super. Should have felt that all the way up. Same here. Yes, sir. Good job. Okay, let's sit you up nice over toward Giovanna. There we go. And see how he has a tendency to kind of let his head drop? When you see him doing that, slap him upside the head. There you go. You're moving everywhere. Do you feel better down your legs right now? Mm-hmm. Good. There we go. Good. Okay, let's have you come over here. And let's take a look at you here first. See, you're still a little forward and right. Oh, still a little left, so let's come on here. Okay, we're going to lay your pelvis right here. Head up this way, please, sir. There we go. Are you a ring dinger lever? Yeah.
Slide
up just a little bit. Slide up just a little bit. There we go. That's it. This is most of our patients' favorite adjustment.
Crazy.
It works really well though. Okay. There you go. Super. Yep. Feel that all the way down?
Yeah.
There we go. Okay. You still kicking, quit crying.
Oh, man.
Okay, I got you. There you go. That's it. Perfect.
So that one adjusts everything basically?
That one adjusts from his skull all the way down to his sacrum. It decompresses the spine. Okay, let's set up sideways here, Giovanni. Okay.
Andreas.
Right
We keep.
Sorry about that. Okay, let's flex you forward and backwards again. Yeah, if we'd have done Giovanna's video too, she would have got a lot more views than you, you know. Now, let's try that same thing again. This should feel a little smoother to you than the previous one.
Yep.
Back to neutral. Take a look, back to neutral. Take a look in the mirror now. See how you squared off now? Stand up straighter, isn't he?
Yeah.
And see how you got more equal spacing down here now, and your hands are at your sides as opposed to being in front of you?
Yeah.
Very good. So what would you tell our YouTube fans? By the way, those of you who are watching who haven't subscribed, subscribe to our two YouTube channels. I noticed that most of our people that watch our videos aren't actually subscribed to our YouTube channel, so we appreciate you subscribing and watching and sharing our videos on social media. And what would you tell people about your first adjustment here at Advanced Chiropractic Relief?
It's better than the one it looks like on the YouTube.
Better than YouTube, huh?
Yeah, a lot better.
Good. So would you recommend other people from California make the trip over here to Houston to get this done?
Absolutely.
It's worth the trip?
Oh, yeah.
Good deal. Well, thank you for sharing your
Thank you,
experience with everyone. This is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson, coming to you from Advanced Chiropractic Relief in Houston, Texas. We'll see y'all soon.